Hello there. Today we're attempting to load and play Exelon on the ZX Spectrum. This is another attempt at the ZX Spectrum iScore Challenge that Rod Bell and Baz Harding started off. Gravious picked this one. He won again. He's making a bit of a habit of it. Just a second. I've no history with this game. I can't tell you a lot about it because I'm not doing a playthrough or a talk on this one. I'm just attempting the iScore. So as in the others, I've had an hour's practice and then I've fired it back up again, and I'm going to have a go to get the high score so I can get to pick. I'd like to say I've been practicing, honing my lightning reactions to win this one, but unfortunately, one, I haven't had time to practice because I've been very busy at work, and two, I don't have any lightning reactions to start with, so I don't think this one's going to go very well, to be honest. Yeah, I have had a practice, as I said. I'm not very good. This is bloody hard. It's made me swear a lot. Gravious, you're quite evil, to be honest. You've picked the horrible game. I hate it. It looks great, but it just makes me angry. So I apologise now if I get a bit sweary on this one, because it has made me shout a lot. I'll just put my keys in. What have I done there? I don't know what I've done there. Oh, bugger. Just a second. I'm swearing already. Right, we'll try again. Left, right, jump, duck, fire. That's better. Right, so here we go on Exelon. I will tag Baz's video in on this as well, because he tends to do a playthrough as he does the video. I can't see us all doing one, so if you want to know more about the game, like I said, if Baz does a playthrough, I'll tag it in mine, and you'll be better off watching his. If you just want to watch the iScore challenges, then watch this, and everybody else's. It's really good fun, this. It'd be great if more people got involved in the Spectrum community. It'd be nice to have somebody get involved who can actually beat Gravious, to be honest, because we're all struggling. Anyway, here we go. Let's see how far I can get. Ooh. So you have a gun and rockets. As you can see at the bottom of the screen, you only have a limited amount of each. We've got 9 lives. They won't last long. I must say the graphics are great. It's just really hard. I don't need to shoot him, to be honest. I just wanted the points. And now it all goes wrong usually. I hate these ball things. Oh, I'm gonna die. I just know I'm gonna die. Oh, bugger. It's making me that angry now. I'm making up my own swear words. I hate these. Oh, bugger. Run. Oh, shit. I forget about them every time. Every time. Killed by platform. What's that doing up there? Oh. Run. I don't know why you get scored just by tagging them, but it's worth doing just to pick up the extra points, to be honest. Because on the Ice Score Challenge, that's how you win. Getting the most points. Fire. Oh, I'm going to die. I'm going to die. I didn't die. Oh. Oh, I'm out of ammo. Bugger. You idiot. Oh, bollocks. I'm never going to get by this. Duck. Well, this is as far as I've got. I can't get by this screen. You can't jump off there because you land on the stupid platform. And I can't get by the platform, so I've got two choices. I could stay up here and just keep shooting stuff till I run out of bullets and get as much score as possible, or I could go for it. Gonna have to go for it. Here we go. Oh no! I thought I'd done it that time. I'm gonna die again. I've done it! Right, so I've never been on this screen. Yeah, I'm gonna go up here. That looks far too nasty down there. This is all new territory. I've got one of them. I hate these. I'm running. I'm running. Oh, nice. Get the bullets. I don't know if you can pick up extra lives at all on this. I could really do with them. She's just going to end in tears. Yep, that's it. I'm done, I think. Game over. So, to be honest, because I've never played it before... Oh, that's no good. Where's delete? Yeah. Because I've never played it before, I don't actually know if that's a good score or not. It's got me in the Hall of Fame. There we are, 33,200. So yeah, 33,200. That's my attempt on this week's Ice Score Challenge. I hope that's good enough to win. I hope it's better than Grievous, to be honest, because he's making me, Baz and Rod look silly. it'd be nice to wipe the floor with him. But we'll see. Yeah, got further than I've ever got. Still don't like it. It's one of those games that involves lots of really good lightning reactions. I haven't got any, so yeah. But great tune, great effects. Yeah, that's it. So I'll post this up. It'll be a day late. It'll be Sunday this, because I'm off to work now and I'll be at work forever. So yeah, it'll be Sunday. I'll be a day late. But yeah, good luck to everybody else who gets involved. Thanks for watching. Those who did, please like, subscribe and all that whatnot. Catch you later.